Morning. So while last week ended on a cautious note, it's likely that this week will also be tame as investors look at yields. They're elevated, but they're also somewhat balanced out by the Fed's accommodating stance on rates. It was also very interesting to see over the weekend the Turkish Lira fall about 16% as Edrogran fired their central bank chief. So a sober reminder that currencies can be and are very much impacted by politics. Now on the decentralized side of currencies, well, we're not falling by 16%, that's for sure. Bitcoin actually stayed very steady, understand flat over the weekend, and we're actually closing the Sunday session literally at the open of Friday's session, so at 57,600. It's very interesting to see that the 30-day volatility has been declining recently as people maybe hold more. Now looking at the Bitcoin dominance, it looks like alts actually performed a tad better over the weekend, but really they're just holding steady with some outperformance here and there. So Ethereum, Tezos, Chainlink, Litecoin, they're all closing about 1 to 2% up or down. And then we saw Stellar and Polkadot perform better. And then VeChain, a coin that I mentioned briefly last week, jumped 17% in USD term and in Bitcoin terms. Now on a broader scale, there's a beautiful chart by Glassnode that tracks the movement of coins older than 6 months. And you can see previous cycles and the fact that, you will have guessed it, we're nowhere near those levels, meaning that people are still enjoying hodling instead of selling and trading. Now, and one, would and should feel the same when you're hearing, the dovish comments from the Fed. But it seems that also institutions have caught on. You can see that from the growth of the USDC market cap as opposed to the more general USDT. So USDC's market cap is reaching 10 billion and suggests that institutions are getting involved in buying large amounts of stable coins to trade Bitcoin, but also maybe other cryptocurrencies. Now, just recently, the Scaramucci Skybridge Fund filed an application for a Bitcoin ETF, something that a year back only a few players attempted is now becoming almost the norm. And in Latin America, the first Bitcoin ETF was actually just approved, provided by QR Capital. Now lastly, unrelated, but really interesting to see that the Nigerian government, which initially had tried to stop its citizens from trading Bitcoin, actually went back on that after a lot of protests took place in the country. So the Central Bank of Nigeria reiterated that citizens are indeed allowed to trade crypto. I see that as a win. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.